Alrighties, so I did something dumb. You know those old nerf guns that you can get with the button that you can turn on the motor and then it will shoot a bullet when you press a button? Well, I upgraded mine. This is what it sounds like. This is what it looks like when you shoot a bullet. It's kind of stupid, but that's what I'm good at. I'm good at being stupid. Alrighty. So to upgrade this gun, what I've essentially done is I've just wired four 9-volt batteries in series, adding the voltage up to close to 36 volts, which is a little bit sketchy, considering that this gun was running only on 4 AA batteries, which is roughly 6 volts. Not sure how sketchy it is, considering I haven't really had a good look at this motor. But considering it does sound like that, probably wasn't the best idea. But what I'm thinking is I upgrade the motor in this to a much, much larger motor and see how far I can take this before it explodes and causes serious harm. Oh, this is stupid. Alrighty, so in a nutshell, what I've done here is I've wired, so say I've just gotten my 9-volt batteries, I've connected the positive of one to the negative of another, down like this, so these are all connected in series, which then adds up the voltage of each 9-volt battery, so 9, 18, 26, 9, 18, 27, 36, into the connection that was already inside of here. So this connection it just runs down to the gun. So the actual motor's in here. It's just got 2 flywheels in here that spin, and then what happens is, as I can show you, in the top here, so it'll put the battery in, the bullet in. All it is you start it spinning, and then it's just a little thing that pushes it in. It's literally just a little arm that pushes it in. So that just pushes it into the flywheels, which launches it out at the end because the flywheels are spinning. This button here is just got a wire running up here, up through here, into the motor, which lets it know that when you press this, it starts spinning. So yeah, it's a pretty simple upgrade. I am tempted to, because the motor center, so the launching module inside of this comes out, and it is possible to completely take it out and still function. So what I'm tempted to do is I'm tempted to mount this to a board and get like drone batteries, like massive drone batteries, and attach it to it to see how fast I can make it spin. I also want to figure out a way to measure the rotations per minute on the discs to see how it goes.